I wanted to become a lineman just to help out people.
Being able to restore power to somewhere is amazing. If a storm goes out, nobody wants to go do that, but I will.
I was looking for something to get into, like a trade. There was other jobs, but lineman really looked really cool. I just didn't have the money for it, really, just coming out of high school and everything. So I was just working, jobs and jobs. I'm really glad I got the scholarship to start something else.
So the APS Friendly House Scholarship Program is in its inaugural year, and we are so pleased to be able to bring this opportunity to our communities across Arizona. It's not just about the Phoenix region, it's about all the service territory that APS serves and all of our customers, and making sure that we're connecting to the workforce of the next generation and giving the opportunity to connect not just to their next job, but to a career.
Friendly House is there to help launch people. And one of the things is this particular program launches them further in that they go into a tremendous job. And once again, it's an opportunity they would not have normally known about or had. And also there's that element of support. Sometimes it takes a little bit more to help people get through things. And that's what we're providing in conjunction with APS and our other partners, is we're providing them help with their academics, providing help with getting their commercial driver's license, helping them with simple things like resumes and interviewing so that they get through that process and become journeymen.
Eddie's my big brother from the Big Brother program. I didn't have a dad growing up, so I kind of needed somebody to steer me in the right direction, and he really did that a lot. I was a bad kid growing up. Didn't have any influence, so he helps me out a lot. Without him, I wouldn't be here.
I grew up in Puerto Rico. Seeing the storms, you have to try to help somehow. It is heartbreaking when you see them without power. And seeing these guys out there, seeing APS, opened my eyes and just said, I might as well just work as a lineman.
A lot of them, when we did the interviews, always mentioned that this is something that they wanted to give back to the community. Some equated it to being like a firefighter or a first responder, and it is very similar because when things happen out there in our grid, we need them there.
I can't wait to just go out and get it done, work that 12-hour shift up on the pole and fix it, get down and see the lights come on. It's breathtaking to me.